In this video, I'm going to show you how to play the Chilean cactus rainstick. You can tip the rainstick completely vertical, and let's see how that sounds. And again. Now the best way to play it is diagonally, because the noise will run for longer. Like this. And as it's slowly going down, you want to turn the rainstick. So the sound sustains for a lot longer when it's diagonal like that. You can also use it as a shaker. It doesn't work so great because all the seeds are right at the bottom there. It's worth noting that different sizes produce different sounds. This is a 15cm rainstick. This is a 20cm rainstick. This is a 30cm rainstick. This is a 40cm rainstick. This is a 50cm rainstick. This is a 60cm rainstick. Which rainstick's right for you? So smaller rainsticks are better for beginners, they're compact, and they're a better shaker. Larger rainsticks are better suited to professionals, they are much louder, and the sound sustains for much longer. Thanks so much for watching. If you want to see our range of rainsticks, have a look on our website in the link below.